Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to be making keto hummus. So today we're going to be making keto hummus, and usually hummus is made out of chickpeas, which are garbanzo beans that are boiled or canned or whatever. But a good alternative to that is steamed cauliflower, and I'm going to tell you right now, this is exactly like hummus. What makes hummus the flavor that it is tahini. And tahini is sesame seed paste. So right now I've already steamed cauliflower. I just bought the bags of frozen cauliflower in the freezer section at the grocery store, and I steamed them in the microwave. So this is 2 bags. It's about 3 cups of cauliflower, florets. So we are going to add our hummus ingredients into here. Our first ingredient is some olive oil, which is essential for delicious hummus. All of these ingredients are essential for delicious hummus, which of course would mean cumin, ground cumin, and ground garlic. But now we've got to put in the tahini, which is, like I said before, sesame seed paste. It is what gives it's what gives hummus its flavor, along with lemon juice. So I'm going to go ahead and start to pulse this. So I'm going to scrape down the sides. This is so easy. It tastes just like hummus. I'm also going to add in some water. And this just helps it smooth it out and bring it all together. It's like the secret ingredient for smooth hummus. Also, if you don't have, a blender would work really good, a high-speed blender like a Vitamix. I don't have one of those here, so I have this Ninja food processor. It works good, you know, but I think the Vitamix works better. Scrape the sides again. I'll taste it. Need salt. That is pretty smooth for cauliflower hummus. So now we can spoon it into a bowl. Okay, I'm going to spoon this into a bowl. Serve it up. This is so good served with, this makes a lot of hummus, by the way. And you can freeze it easily. But this is so good served with pork rinds, or I like to eat it with pieces of salami. So good. Okay, let me put some olive oil on there. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And looky here, I've got some pork rinds. Let me dip one in. Guys, you've got to check out this recipe. Oh, it's so good, especially after it sits in the refrigerator and the tahini firms back up. It is exactly like Trader Joe's hummus. Guys, be sure you check out this video where I did a Trader Joe's haul and I gave you 4 recipe ideas for lunch and meal prep. So check that out, and I will see you guys later. Bye.